Hey guys, we received this KAMRUI GK3 Plus mini PC for test and try. So let's open and see how this goes. So these mini PCs are actually useful, like when you just have a monitor and you can just put it and transfer this to a Windows PC. So this is a very small factor block here, as you can see, and then the accessory we have a HDMI cable, adapter, some screws and then a holder. So this one is actually a holder for back of a monitor. Like if you want to stick this to the back of the monitor, you can use this bracket, but your monitor should have this setup of screws so that you can just put it and put in this one. So this is a HDMI cable and a power adapter. So this one is a 12 Gen Alder Lake N97 and a 16 GB RAM with a 512 gigs SSD M.2. So this is a mini computer and supports 4K display with a various USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So let's just open and see. So my first impression is a lightweight, nice mini PC box with the golden touch here, like the rose gold. So this vent is for dissipating the heat, and this have also a VGA connector here. From the bottom also you can see that it can just pass off the heat, so it's a nice design so that will not heat up, with three USB here, power button, and let's put it on. So I just put it here, connected with the HDMI to a monitor and wireless keyboard and mice, and also a speaker with the USB, so I can do a good demo or a test of this mini PC. So when I attach this attached very nicely, and on the click of this power button, this started the Windows PC. You have to set this up, and once you set this up, with your initials and stuff, then you can do that. It's also have a expandable storage that you can use. So I'm playing a YouTube video just to show the 4K display. So this monitor is a 4K monitor with a 180 hertz frequency. So you can see it here. My mouse and keyboards are all connected nicely with this Wi-Fi thing with a USB. So no issue with that, with the color and the stuff and the performance. So this is a fast PC based on your normal requirement, like for the word and the thing. My speakers are also working fine with this USB, so attachment is nice and you can see the whole stuff. So this one is just a demo for the quality, like the display and the playing of the things and the connection of these various stuff with the PC. So you can see the things here, that what is the configuration of this. So basically a very nice window mini PC that you can use for any other purpose and for your general purpose of Microsoft Word and things. So it's a great configuration mini PC, and you can take this box anywhere you want and attach to a monitor to work.